So here I am at the Duxford Airfield. It's a transport heritage site and it's a unique historic military airfield where there are many planes of the year over the years. We were taken to Airspace 1 here at the heritage site, and in a minute you'll see we can go through these doors. And then you go up the stairs, and we were met by one of the Airfix representatives on the day, who then sent us past this amazing display of Spitfires, which is one of the reasons why I went on that day. It looked phenomenal. Then all of a sudden you're just hit by this barrage of vintage classic planes, as you can see in the background there. Just wonder how many you can spot. Obviously there's the Concorde there, the test one. There's the short Sunderland. You can see a Comet there right in the distance. Moving on, you can see the Vulcan there. There are so many planes just crammed into this very small area. Just looking across there again, you can see the Vulcan there. It was phenomenal. It really was. It was such a great place to be. There's a Lancaster there. I was absolutely blown away. You could see everything that you needed to in there. Can you see just down there? Look at that. You see all the jets that you can think of over the years, and the displays themselves, they're hanging from the ceiling, and they look really, really good. They've really, really well looked after these. You can see the TSR1 there, just beside the Concorde. And there's just so many different planes here. I was just blown away. I tried to get as many pictures as I could, just walking around. Yeah, it was such a great, just looking over the top there, it was such a great vision. It really was. And there you can see there's a display there of what the planes are. Again, there's a head-on shot there, the Vulcan. Yeah, it's just so lovely to see it. And then, there's a Lightning there as well, which I'm in the process of building. Then we ended up here in this sort of like lecture area, and you can just see the Airfix team there were chatting.
Wow, it's been.
And then we had Dale stand up to, who is the brand manager of Airfix, just to talk to us really about Spitfire. And well, I was totally blown away at this point, because I didn't realise that they were going to announce the next stage of the Spitfire experience, and at this point no one knew what they were about to put on the screen. Straight up, there you go. Absolutely blown away. And this is what we were seeing in our seats. And as we were there watching, you can just see Dale there bending down underneath the table and actually bring out the plane itself and the box art. But there wasn't anyone speaking, they were just enthralled at what was being seen up on the screen. And I was actually blown away by the detail, as you can see, by the engine, just by the wings. Just look at the beauty of it. It's going to be a really good kit. You know, the undercarriage looks fantastic. And there's some beautiful shots on the actual screen itself. We're just there watching away, just looking at this model and thinking, wow. Just look at that, the detail of the engine, and you can build that separately as well, apparently. They're obviously 1:24 scale, 433 parts. And there it was, the Supermarine Spitfire MkIXc. Really, really good to see. Really good to see.
So yes, a kit worthy of its title, Super Kit, 24 scale. It's been a number of years since we've looked at a Spitfire in 24 scale. So this really is something special for us.
And then we were able to have a good look at the new aircraft and just look at the engine there. It just looks absolutely sublime. It's £95 though, which some people thought was a bit steep. But as you can see, look at the cockpit display there. You know, there's so much going on there that there's nothing missed. Absolutely incredible. As I try to get a good shot around, I do apologise about my finger being in the lens there, but you can just see how well detailed it is. And then you move on to the engine, absolutely stunning, and you can't quite see it there, but it does actually have Rolls-Royce written on the actual engine itself. It said it is absolutely beautiful kit, and really worth looking at if you're interested in having a go at a 1 to 24 scale, most definitely. And then I was able to get a quick picture of the 3-piece canopy set, and then just some pictures of the actual sprues themselves. They just look really crisp, look very well made, and I think you're going to be enjoying this kit if you want to build a 1 to 24 scaled Spitfire. As you can see there, there's so many pieces there. They come with clipped wings as well as rounded wings, so it's all looking pretty sus to me. You know, it's definitely going to be a kit to buy. Very, very enjoyable indeed. And there is just the last picture there of the plane. And just one last thing was the fuselage of the Bf-10E that Rudolf Hess flew from Germany to Scotland to broker a peace deal. The plane crashed, and they have a piece of the fuselage at the Duxford War Museum, and it's even still got some of the parts there with it, and I just thought that was quite interesting as well. But I'll leave you with some pictures and some footage of the museum, and it's very well worth going to visit. Anyways, thank you Airfix for inviting me for the event. Thank you everyone for watching. If you liked the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and ring that bell to be notified on any new videos. And remember to subscribe to the channel is free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.